say camera adds 15 pounds, but my doctor might say that 15 pounds is needed. Let me stop. I'm not gonna stop. I apologize. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Young V, Youngville, back in the mix. Still can't think of a fucking intro, but hey, we finna work on it. Last video I did the 700 V3s. In this video we gonna switch it back, go to the 350s, a staple to the Yeezy brand, something that everybody rocks with. The 350s are timeless. There's so many colorways to the point where people are getting tired of them. So we just gonna get right into it. Boom, 350s. Today we got the black non-reflective, or some might like to call them the pirate grays. I just came up with that, don't go around saying it. But the pirate grays, these are pretty dope. They're the non-reflective blacks. I wanted the reflective joints, but it's pretty hard to come by. I was able to snag a pair of these. I didn't have to pay an arm and two legs for them. I was able to get them for the justice price on StockX. The justice price is a price that does justice.
Stop it. Get some help.
Moving forward, we got the non-reflective black Yeezys, and boom, as you can see, these are key, essential to any Yeezy collection. I mean, you can't have all these different colorways and not have a black shoe to fall back on, and these, they fit the bill. I think my favorite part on these is the fact that they come with the heel. Damn, I forgot what the name of these things are called. The heel tab. There you go. The heel tab.
Disappointed!
To help you pull the shoe on, because when you have the regular 350s, you'll pull at this, but it's still kind of uncomfortable to pull at that. You want to be able to pull at the heel tab right there. These shoes are pretty simple, really sleek, and they look, like I said, they look the closest to the pirate blacks that you can get without it being a pirate black. X for the pattern that's on the pirate blacks. These are a bit different. If you give me 1 second, I'm gonna cut the light off so you guys can see a better view. Boom, now that I got my freaky deaky light off, you know, that's when things get a little, you know.
What is that? Oh,
anyway, as you can see, these are the closest that you can get to the pirate black, even with the translucent sole looking almost just pure black. And of course on the bottom you have your boost. I love how the 350s, they have this little open cage for the boost all along. It's pretty dope. Other than that, one thing these do feature that is reflective are the laces. I'll put up a picture right now, and pretty much you can see how the laces are reflective. The shoe themselves are pretty dope. Nothing, you can't go wrong with 350s. 350s are a staple to the Yeezy line, and I know a lot of people have them, but I'll just go through the materials. You know, the upper has a prime knit, which is pretty dope, and has a it's see-through here, but it's also a bunch of little holes for breathability, makes the shoe more comfortable. In addition to that, of course, the shoe itself is a sock liner, has its boost right here, and pretty much 350s are pretty simple when it comes to construction, and a lot of times simple is better, and these just fit the bill. I love the fact that the laces are reflective. Reflective laces just basically gives you a pop when you take a picture or anybody has flash or anything. Your shoes will stand out, especially for an all black shoe. In one of my previous videos I said all black shoes are whack shoes, and that in the case that could be true, but a lot of times you can find that one black shoe to go back to and it's pretty fire. So I redact that statement because you can't have drip without an all black shoe. Like, I can't wear this yellow hoodie with my freaking Azraels. I can't wear it with my Oswegos. Well, I could probably wear it with my Oswegos, but you get my point. The all black shoe goes with anything. Throw some black jeans on, throw on this hoodie and throw these on, and I could rock it. I know a lot of you guys may know about 350s, but this is just for some of the people who are on the fence deciding whether or not they should buy a pair of 350s, because seeing so many pairs in the market, seeing how everybody has a pair, some people like to be exclusive and are kind of reluctant to buy a pair. But honestly, I say go for it. If you're gonna have Yeezys, you gotta have the 350s. They're a staple to the Yeezy Like, you, come on. If you don't have a pair of 350s, but you're rocking 700s and 500s, I mean, hey, shoes are shoes, but like I said, you can't go wrong with these. These slip right on and slip right off. They're real comfy. They have boost in them. They're real light. It's like wearing a sock with the sole. And I really like the 350s. My favorites, honestly, are still the 700s. Not just the V3s. I love the V1s, the V2s. My favorite all time probably either being the Wave Runners or the V2 Statics. Those. Also, the analogs are pretty dope. I'm gonna be unboxing those next, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. These have been the 350 non-reflectives. Like, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so I could live swell. And I got y'all. Thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.